Let's look at this question now. What will be the range of y if x is a natural number such that x is less than or equal to 100 and y is equal to mod of x minus 1, x minus 2, and so on till x minus 100. So we need to find the range of y. Range of y would be equal to maximum value minus minimum value of y, right? And actually we know the maximum value of y, maximum value of y would be at maximum value of y would be at extremes, right? Maximum value of y would occur when x is either 100 or 1, right? When x is how would I say, when x is at extreme, right? That is 1 or 100, right? Now, minimum value of y occurs when x is when x holds the median value, right? X holds the median value when x takes extreme values and when x takes median value, right? So x is from 1 to 100, median would be either 50 or 51. So minimum value, y minimum would be at x is equal to 50 or 51. 50 or 51. Let's take what is the value of y. So 50 minus 1 is 49 plus 50 minus 2 is 48 plus so on till 0 plus 1 plus 49 plus 50, right? This is the case. Now I need to add this from 1 and this twice plus 50. So this would be equal to, this is the sum of first 49 natural numbers, that is 49 into 50 by 2. And I need to add it 2 times plus 50. So that would be equal to 49 into 50. That is 2500 minus 50. So 2450 plus 50. And that is equal to 2500. This is the minimum value of y. Now the maximum value of y occurs at x equal to, I'm taking it as 1. So at 1 it would be 0, right? At 1 it would be 1, right? So it is 0 plus 1 plus 2 and till 99. So we need to add these. So this is sum of first 99 natural numbers, which is 99 upon 100 by 2 into 100 by 2. So that is 9900 by 2. And that is 4 times 9 times 5 times 0. So this is 4950. What is the range of y? Range of y would be the difference of these values, which is 4950 minus 2500. So that would be equal to 50 and 24, right? So 2450 would be the range of y.